Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. The price line of Stellar is still moving above 18-cent support level. As in my last video, I showed you that the price line is having nice accumulation above the support of 18 cents and the 200 weekly simple moving average. Right now we are still there, and in today's video we will analyze when we can have a reversal move from here, a big move to the upside. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this chart, and this is the weekly time frame. And here we can see that the price line dropped at 18 cent support here on the candlestick that was started on 17th of January on the weekly time frame, and we are having third candlestick nicely getting accumulated above this support of 18 cents and the 100 weekly simple moving average as well. Now if we move to the daily time frame from here, then we can see that we have so many candlesticks accumulated here at this level. Now if we switch to the daily time frame from here, then as in my previous video I was telling you that we are moving in a down channel, but after this bounce, this spike, we can see that the movement has been changed from the down channel to a falling wedge pattern, because the price line is moved up from here, and now it is following this falling wedge, and likely to have a very nice bounce by the support. And for example, if it will reach here at the resistance, that will be at 22 cents. 22 cents will be another very strong resistance for Stellar Coin. As we can see on the weekly time frame, if we switch back to the weekly time frame, then we can see that here we had this 22 cents, here we had this 22 cents has been breaking as a very strong support. We had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, and here it has been breaking as a strong support. And here, when we had this rally, here it worked as a very strong rejection line or resistance line. Therefore, in case of reversal move from here, or at least if the price line moves here at the resistance of this falling wedge, then the price line will have two resistance levels here. One will be the resistance of the falling wedge, another one will be the resistance of 22 cents. And after breaking out the next resistance of 22 cents, it can imminently move up to the next resistance of 28 cents. And for example, if the price line breaks it out, definitely it will also break out the resistance of this falling wedge, and the target for the falling wedge will be approximately at 43 cents. Now if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then like Bitcoin, the Stellar has also formed an ascending triangle. Here we have the resistance of this ascending triangle, and this is the support of this triangle, and you can see that the movement is getting more and more squeezed. So time is very close to break out or break down the support or resistance of this triangle. I'm expecting that it can break out this resistance, and for example, if we will have a breakout, then after this breakout it will reach here, exactly here where we have the resistance of this falling wedge. So again, the next few hours are really very important for Stellar Coin. We need to keep an eye on this move, especially on this smaller time frame triangle. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.